Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech and accessories. Today, we have something special in store for all you GoPro enthusiasts out there. Introducing the ULANZI Go Quick 2 Extendable Tripod Selfie Stick, the best selfie stick for your GoPro action camera. This versatile accessory is a game changer for vloggers, adventurers, and anyone looking to capture those epic moments. Let's dive into what makes this selfie stick a standout choice. Quick release in a second. The ULANZI Go Quick 2 system features a magnetic mount and strong suction, allowing you to connect your GoPro in a snap. No more fumbling with screws, it's all about convenience. 7 stage heights, up to 55 inches, with 7 adjustable height levels, ranging from 11.53 inches to a whopping 55 inches. You can easily get the perfect angle for your shots. Plus, it extends smoothly and provides solid support. Stable tripod mode. Not just a selfie stick, it doubles as a tripod stand. Simply open the handle, and it transforms into a tripod with 3 sturdy legs. Even on uneven terrain, the center column ensures stability. Lightweight and durable. Constructed with a blend of ABS and aluminum, this selfie stick is both lightweight and durable. It's your ideal companion for outdoor activities like hiking, skiing, and more. Wide compatibility. The ULANZI Go Quick 2 selfie stick comes with an action camera quick release adapter, making it compatible with GoPro Hero 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, DJI Osmo Action, Insta360, and other sport cams. Let's take a look at how this selfie stick performs in action. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, vlogging your adventures, or simply taking a group selfie, the ULANZI Go Quick 2 selfie stick has got you covered. And here's the cherry on top. ULANZI offers a 12-month risk-free warranty. If you're not satisfied with the quality or encounter any issues, their customer support is ready to assist you. So there you have it, folks. The best selfie stick for your GoPro action camera. The ULANZI Go Quick 2 Extendable Tripod Selfie Stick. With its quick release, stability, and wide compatibility, it's a must-have accessory for all your adventures. If you want to take your GoPro game to the next level, check out the link in the description below to grab your ULANZI Go Quick 2 selfie stick today. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more awesome tech reviews, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.